That brings Suckline back on strike.
It's never easy to come in. You've been sitting out and you're not warmed up. It's hard to sight the ball. Remember, the bowler has been fresh, coming off a recent over. That's why they say it's very important to warm up.
Gone are the days, Salman, but when we used to play, you get out, early shower, no more, because in white ball cricket, super over is on. You got to be switched on.
I think when I was playing, there was a super over, so it's taken me like a decade back.
Salman is not too old, man.
That's something to debate about. We'll talk about it later. Follow through, puts the break, runs back, and takes an easy catch.
He is a wonderful athlete. He just bowled it, the hard length, the extra effort ball, giving length.
Jishan Alam, the last man in.
That's a gift. That's a gift from Ahmed Danial. Down the leg side, wide. 5 runs. Pressure. That's pressure, Salman.
No need to change. Not at all. There's a fresh batter coming in who wasn't expecting to bat. 10 minutes go.
The leg side, hint of reverse swing. Aziguri, that's a valiant attempt. Fingertips and goes to a boundary. That's encouraging stuff for Danial. Right throughout in the death overs in the tournament, he's been getting the ball to tail back in to the right hander. He has to start around the...
Exactly as you just mentioned. Just start from outside the off stump, and that length, once again, the hard length brings the undoing of Jishan, and the Bangladesh innings is over at 6 runs off the over bowled.
Yeah, what a start. Pretty much expected though from Ripon to eye those block hole. Yeah, from Bangladesh's point of view, a couple of dot deliveries might put the Pakistani batters under some sort of pressure.
Dot balls and preferably a wicket. That is what Bangladesh will be looking for. And for Pakistan, they need to know it's just one hit away.
Hint of reverse swing was tailing back in to the right hander, which will go away from the left-handed Mas Sadakat. Field remains the same. In the slot. Running to spirit stroke, direct it would have had him. His excellent cricket. And was excellent by Ripon Mandal off his own bowling, following through, trying to take the stumps off at the non-strikers end.
How good Ripon has been on the target, under pressure, delivering the goods. Brilliant execution of the Yorker length delivery. Time and again, when Bangladesh has required, he has come up with the goods.
Great control, must say. Never easy bowling those Yorkers. And he's bowled 2 on 2. Here comes Ripon.
Sufyan Mukim, he has to remember there's one more run to be made.
That is excitement. He ran as if Pakistan had won the trophy already. Ball back from the ring. Look at him. Look at the dressing room enjoying. They know they require one now. And Bangladesh would require a miracle.
It's not finished until it's finished. Sufyan Mukim, it was lovely to see. He was sprinting in almost to the 30-yard circle. He was asked to go back. Brilliant. But under pressure, Shad Masood, what a shot. There was pace, there was hint of reverse swing. He went with the swing. And Pakistan Shahis, they can sense it. It's just one run away.
No more drama required. Pakistan, great game, great Edwards for the Asia Cup.
This is by far the best final, the best tournament of the Asia Cup Rising Stars. We had everything. Drama, super over, and then Shaheens go on to clinch their 3rd title of the competition.
5th final in 7 years for the Shaheens, and heartbreak for Bangladesh. It's their 2nd time reaching the final. Unfortunately, they have lost both the times, but lot to like about Bangladesh effort with the ball in the field, Captain Akbar Ali. Some of the youngsters have risen to the occasion.